Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to learn how to write the letter Zay. In the beginning of a word, we write all of the letter. In the middle of a word, we write all of it. And also in the end of a word, we write the whole thing as well. So this letter is just like the Ra, except that there's a dot on top of it. So it connects from the right side only as well. So look at it. In this word, it came in the beginning. There's nothing on the right side, but there is a Jim on the left side. And it did not connect to the Jim because we said it connects only to the letters on the right side only. Here, it came in the middle, and that's why you can see that it's connected to the letter on the right side, which is the Jim, but it's not connected to the letter on the left side, which is the Ra. And finally, in this word, it came in the end, and it's connected to the letter on its right side, which is the Jim. So now let's try to connect these letters to make an Arabic word. Why don't you try to do it on your own and then check if you got the same thing that I will show. As you can see, we have a Zay in the beginning, followed by Alif, followed by a Ra, followed by a Ta. And we have three letters that connect from the right side only. That word is going to be interesting. The Zay in the beginning, we write all of the letter, and we cannot connect it to anything on the left side. So it's not going to connect to the letter that comes after. And the Alif in the middle, we also write all of it, and it cannot connect to the letter on the left. So it's not going to connect to the letter that comes after it. And finally, the Ra comes after the Alif, and the Ra cannot connect to the letter that comes after it either, because it connects from the right side only. So the Ra is not going to connect to the Ta. And the Ta in the final position, we also write all of it. As you can see, none of the letters in this word are connected to each other. Now let's try to read this word. Why don't you pause the video and try to read it on your own, and then unpause to see if you got it right. As you can see, we have a Zay followed by an Alif, which is Za. Then we have a Ra followed by a Fatha, which is Ra. And finally, we have a Ta with a Sukun on it, and we cannot really say it by itself. We'll have to say it with the letters before it. Rat, Rat. Za, Rat, Rat. The whole word, Za, Rat, Za, Rat. Faster, Zarat, Zarat. Shout out to Ismail and Kurel. شكرا جزيلا على استماعكم. مع السلامة.